Lesson: How to ask, "Where is the station?" in Arabic. 1. Key vocabulary. Where, Wain, or Aina. Station, Mahatta. Bus, base, or Hafala. Train, Kitar. Taxi, taxi, or Sayarat Ujra. 2. Main phrases and pronunciation. Asking for the bus station. أين محطة الباص? English pronunciation. أين محطة الباص? Meaning, where is the bus station? Asking for the metro or train station. أين محطة القطار? أين محطة المترو? English pronunciation. أين محطة القطار؟ وأين محطة المترو? Meaning, where is the train or metro station? Asking for the taxi stand. أين موقف التاكسي? English pronunciation. أين موقف التاكسي? Meaning, where is the taxi stand? 3. Quick practice and conversational tips. To be polite, always start your question with min fadlik for males or min fadliki for females, which means please. Example: Min fadlik, أين محطة المترو? Please, where is the metro station? Part 2. Asking for and understanding directions. 1. Key direction words. Straight ahead, ala tool. Turn right, lif yamin. Turn left, lif yasar, lif shimal. Next to, jump. In front of, amam, قدام. Behind, خلف, wara. Stop here, أقف هنا, stop هنا. 2. Simple conversation example. Tourist. من فضلك, أين محطة الباص? Please, where is the bus station? Local. امشي على طول, ثم لف يمين. Walk straight ahead, then turn right. Tourist. شكرا. Thank you. Part 3. Useful phrases at the station. 1. Buying tickets and prices. How much is the ticket? بكم التذكرة? 1 ticket, please. تذكرة واحدة من فضلك. 2 tickets, please. تذكرتين من فضلك. 2. Time and schedules. When does the bus leave? متى يخرج الباص? When does the train arrive? متى يصل القطار? Is there a bus now? هل يوجد باص الآن؟ Does this bus go to... هل هذا الباص يذهب إلى... I want to go to... أريد أن أذهب إلى...